Hey everyone, it's 𝐒𝐏𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐆. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a glueless 360 wig. You are able to wear this wig in many styles. You can wear it half up, half down, and you can also wear it into a high ponytail or a low ponytail. If you guys want to see how I install this wig using absolutely no glue, then please keep on watching. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from OMG Her Hair, and I've worn their wigs plenty of times. You guys seen me rock their wigs before. Love their wigs. They are ready to go wigs, so you really don't have to do much to them for them to look good. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing just so you guys can see what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Yeah, this is pretty much the packaging that it comes in, and you have your little satin bag which you would store your wigs in. So before we look at the wigs, let's just see what's in the box. I love these type of rat tail combs because it actually makes it super easy to part the wig and just part your hair in general. Also, we have a melting band right here, and this is perfect for melting down your wigs. I think melting bands are a must to melting down your wigs, so yeah. And we also have HD wig cap. So there's 2 wig caps in there. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just open that wig bag. Ooh, gorgeous. I love her. So this wig, it's 22 inches. The hair color is like a blonde ombre, but it's not like a yellow tone blonde. And this one, the hair density is 180% density. Hair texture is silky straight. Now the roots are a bit darker, which I absolutely love the fact that the roots are darker, because if it was just this color, I feel like it would kind of like just blend right into my skin too much, and I don't like that. I like a little bit of a darker roots because I just feel like it just looks more natural. It just looks better on my skin tone. Take a look at that hairline, you guys. The hairline is absolutely gorgeous. It is pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and it also has like that V-like shape that I just love so much. So it does not require a whole lot of work. I probably take out just a little bit at the front, and again, that's just my personal preference, but I think it looks really good. I love the fact that I don't have to bleach the knots. I don't have to tweeze the wig at all. And the lace is already cut. And I think this is the first time I'm trying one of their wigs, their 360 wigs, with the laces cut all the way around, which I'm loving the fact that the lace is cut all the way around, so I don't have to cut it at all. So let's just put it to my skin. And as you can see, the lace is blending perfectly into my skin. I love that. I love that the lace is just a neutral tone lace, transparent HD lace, and if I wanted to match my skin perfectly, I can go ahead and tint that lace. So I do love that. If you have a deeper skin tone, you can also as well tint the lace as well. So at the very back, we have this large comb right here, and this is perfect for the 360 wigs, and they put this right at this area. In most wigs, the comb is right here, but because this is a 360, you need it to go up a little higher. That way, when you put it in a ponytail, it just, you won't see your hair showing in the back. You'll just see this part. Now, and also they have the silicone stuff right here just to protect your edges, the back of your hair, the nape. And also 2 combs on the sides, which I'm not going to use these. I don't like the combs on the side or the combs on the top. I'm going to take these off, but this is optional. You can keep it if you want to. Now this is the invisible strap wig. So it has the invisible strap right here and also right here as well. So this is how it looks, and you're just going to pull this down like so, just to adjust it. And it also has the knobs right here, which keeps it in place. So again, you'll be able to wear this hair in a high ponytail. Now you can also do it glueless, or you can glue the back down. I'm not going to glue the back down because I don't really want to ruin this wig, because after a while of gluing down the wigs last longer, you guys, when you don't put glue on them. And I do glue a lot of my wigs, like the front, but with this one, I don't want to glue the back of it because also you have the lace right here. I just don't want glue all over this, but I'm so happy that they cut it. Now also you have the elastic strap right here, which is a must because this is just going to keep your wig sitting on your head nice and snug. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these parts off. You guys, you've seen my videos, you see me cutting these all off. So I'm just gonna cut this part off of camera. Because this wig is a glueless wig, I won't be doing the ball cap method today. So I'm just gonna have the wig cap on my head like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this wig on my head and see how she is looking. I may have adjusted a little bit too tight, so I'm just gonna loosen that just a little bit. Okay, I know it's gonna look a little crazy, but trust the process. All right, so this is how she is looking. I'm just going to adjust the back a bit. So I'm just placing that comb in place so that way it's sitting on my head properly. And I'm actually gonna come in a little closer just so you guys can see the hairline. So this is how she's looking. Now it does go a bit far down, further than my forehead, so I'm not gonna cut that off as well. And I'm just gonna pull out some of the hair in the front just because it does go down a bit low, but again, this is optional. You could leave it if you want to. And I'm gonna go into voiceover mode because it is a little hard to talk and do this. Now, so far, I really love how the hairline is looking. I'm gonna fix the part a little later on once the wig is down fully. In order to install the wig, now I'm gonna be using the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. So the lace is melted down to perfection onto my skin. I won't be using any glue for this. However, it is optional. You can definitely use glue if you want to. They also provided me with some wig tape as well. So you can use the wig tapes at the side just to tape down the sides. Now, honestly, I'm not the greatest when it comes to these, but if you're good at these, you can definitely add these. But I'm gonna be using the melting spray for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and just move the hair out of the way. And again, this is not a holding spray, it's just a melting spray. So don't be going to the gym thinking you're gonna be able to work out and this wig is gonna stay put, because it probably won't. If I could use a tape, I would just tape the sides down and call it a day, but not very good at that. So I'm gonna apply that all over my forehead area and I'm just gonna rub that in. And then what I'm gonna do next is gonna go in and just place the lace on top of the melting spray. And then I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. And that's pretty much all you have to do. I'm gonna take the Texture ID multi-styling foam and I'm gonna apply it to the edges of the wig. It does add a little bit of hole to it. Just add that melting band. And I'm gonna leave this on for quite a bit of while. Now you can leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm actually gonna do my makeup right now and then I'll be back and then we will style this wig, okay? All right, so my makeup is all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Ooh. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go into voiceover mode because my dog is like barking because my husband is outside and he's like obsessed with my husband. So I'm gonna go into voiceover mode. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some wax sticks and I'm just going to apply this onto the top of my wig. And I'm gonna go in with the hot comb. This wax sticks, I got it on Amazon, so I will link it down below. I really like this one because it doesn't leave the hair too greasy. So this is how she is looking once the wig is flattened down and it is nice and straight, and I'm loving this color. I used to rock this color a lot. It's actually one of my favorite. I know I rock a lot of dark colors, but I love this tone on my skin tone, especially for summertime. So yeah, this is pretty much how she is looking. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how I adjust the straps at the side. See the invisible straps, you're just going to pull on the knob and then you're going to pull it and then it's going to leave it in place. And then I'm going to tuck that little piece inside of the wig so that way it is not visible when I try to put my hair up. Now I'm going to put this wig up. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a little bit of a messy bun, but I want you guys to see how it is looking in the back. So this is how it is looking in the back and in the front, and this is how it looks with a ponytail as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and just pull it to the side just so you can see what it looks like on the side. So as you can see, when the hair is up, none of my hair, my actual real hair, is visible on the very back of the hair, which I absolutely love that you're not able to see that. So yeah, it's definitely versatile. You can wear it into a low ponytail, a high ponytail, to the side, or a center part, half up, half down. I absolutely love this wig, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.